Alright, hello everyone, this is British Rohan and Nick. We are doing ratios, proportions, and similar figures. So first off, we'll start with the ratios. Now, for ratios, it's easy, you've probably seen them before. Ratios can be put into three forms. A to B, A, whatever that is, B, or in fraction form, A over B. So here's the example. So during a basketball, Jim makes 10 shots and misses 12 shots. A, find the ratios of shots made to shots missed. B, find the ratio of shots made to total shots. So to solve A, it's pretty simple. You just put the made shots over the missed shots. So that's 10 to 12, 10 dot 12, and 10 over 12. But you must simplify them because all ratios must be in simplified form. So that's 5 to 6, 5 semicolon 6, and 5 over 6. So B, you want to add 10 and 12 to get the total shots, then put the shots made over the total shots you get. So 10 plus 12 is 22. So that's 10 to 22, 10 semicolon 22, and 10 over 22. Like again, you have to simplify, so it's 5 to 20, 5 to 12, 5 semicolon 12, and 5 over 12.
So today you're going to learn how to solve ratios, proportions, and similar figures. You're going to learn how to solve proportions with me, Rohan. And now first, you're going to learn proportions, as I said. For those who don't know what proportions means, I'm here to tell you. Proportions means it's an equation that states that two ratios are equivalent. So as in this example, it says an elevator that takes passengers from the lobby to the observation level travels 150 feet above in 5 seconds. The observation level is located on 94th floor at 1,029 feet above ground. Find the time it takes the elevator to travel from the lobby to the observation level. So in this example, you're going to find how many seconds it takes to go from the lobby to the observation level by writing a proportion. So here you can see I did 5 over 50 equals x over 29. Now, when you multiply that, you'll cross multiply, and you'll get 150x equals 5,145. So now you need to get x alone, and as usual, you would divide 150 from both sides. So that'll give you x equals 34.3. So now your answer will be 34.3 seconds. Make sure you put your unit, because if you don't, you're going to lose lots of points on your test.
So now we move on to similar figures with British. If you don't know what similar figures are, similar figure is two figures that have the same shape. So when two figures are similar, the ratios of their length of their corresponding sides are equal. So now we move on to our equation. Our equation is AC over AB, which is equal to DF over DE. So when you change the letters into the numbers, it's 10 over 6 equal to 5 over 3. Now all you have to do is make the ratio equal. And to do that, you'll have to multiply 5 over 3 by 2. Now the ratios are equal and the triangles are similar. Now we have our example, which is AC over AB equals DF over DE. So you would have to change that to 10 over 6, which is equal to 6 over x over 3. So now all you have to do is x over 3. So now you would have to cross multiply, and you'd get 10 times 3, which is equal to 6x. So 10 times 3 equals 30, equal to 6x. Now all you have to do is divide 6 by both sides, so you would get x by itself. So now that after you divide, you'll find that x equals 5.
Alright, here's one more example for portions. Here we have 8/12 equals r over r plus 1. So now on the bottom you can see that we use distributive property. 8 parentheses r plus 1 close the parentheses equals 12r because you cross multiplied. So now you have 8r plus 8 equals 12r. So now first you will subtract 8r from both sides, which will give you 8 equals 4r. When you have this, you divide 4 on both sides, giving you r equals 2. So now we want to check this answer if it's correct. So here you'll show check work. So 8 over 12 equals 2 over 2 plus 1, which gives you 2/3. So to check if it's correct, I did 8/12 divided by 4, which gives you 2/3, and 2/3 equals 2/3. So your answer is correct. Alright, so today we have another proportions example. Now this one you're going to solve on your own, and I'm going to give you some time. So here we have 11 over w equals 33 over w plus 24. So now you can solve it from here. Okay, so now that was enough time. So now what we're going to do is, like we did before, 11 parentheses w plus 24 equals 33w. We got this because we cross multiplied. Now let's get a new color here. So now when we have parentheses here, we're going to use distributive property. So 11w plus 264 equals 33w. So now we have 11w plus 264 equals 33w. So now we're going to subtract 11w from both sides. Subtract 11w and subtract 11w. So we cross this out 11w. So you'll get, let's use a new color. Let's get green. So 264 equals 22w. So now here you want to get w alone. So now you would divide by 22 on both sides. Divide by 22 here. W equals 12. Now you want to check this in if you're not sure that this is correct. So now we're going to check work to see if W does actually equal 12. So here, let's change the color again. 11 over 12 equals 33 over 12 plus 24. So now that we have this, we're going to add 12 plus 24. So 11 over 12 equals 33 over 36. Now, as you can tell, we have two fractions here. So now to check this, we could do what we could do. You could times 3 from 11 and 12. So 11 over 12 equals 33 over 36. Let's go to the color. So here you would times 3, and here you would times 3. So now you have 33 over 36 equals 33 over 36. So that's correct. So that's how you show check work for proportions.